Hello there, Karibu In and Out Gardens. So among all the services that we offer as a company, In and Out Gardens is proud to announce that we are a leading company that offers sustainable gardening solutions. So what is sustainable gardening? In easy terms, sustainable gardening refers to gardening made easy. So why gardening made easy? We consider factors such as annual weather conditions, which is a key component in this context. So what we basically do is we install plants that are favorable to that specific weather condition. And the goal is to provide our clients with low maintenance costs while they enjoy the everlasting beauty of nature at their doorsteps. Come on, what are you waiting for? Karibu In and Out Gardens.